Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dyuti, your coach, mentor and guide in your journey to analytics and data science. Today I am here to talk about what you should do next after completing your online or offline training in analytics and data science. So I request you to watch my video till end because I am going to talk about top 11 moves which you can make to make your career outshine. Many of you have completed online or offline training in analytics and data science, but now what next to be done? This question and confusion is there in every one of our mind. You do not know how to get interview calls. If somehow you are getting a few interview calls, you are unable to crack those interviews and your golden opportunity is getting wasted. You feel you are stuck and no one is there to guide you and take you out from this deadlock. Now for your benefit, these are the following 11 paths which undertaken can help you to monetize your skill as well as outshine you in your career in analytics and data science. Your first move after completing your analytics and data science training would be to join an internship. Now, what are the benefits which you will get after joining an internship? Let's talk about that. Now, internship will help you to get the knack of how the work can be done from scratch, understand and attention to small details that matters while working, clears your doubt what you might have while doing the training, get practical and hands-on exposure, start delivering the work under given timeline, and it also adds value in your resume. Make sure while doing the internship, you have a mentor assigned who guides you, with whom you can discuss your doubts, projects, and get the feedback on regular interval. Companies are looking forward for candidates with relevant hands-on in internship as well. Internship gives you that edge and all the companies welcome candidates with internship experience. Joining an internship can prove to be a game-changing move in your career. Nikhil Analytics Bangalore provides online and offline internship to all candidates throughout the world. So hence you can contact Nikhil Analytics for your internship inquiries. Second move which you can do is to test your skill and knowledge. Now see, you have already done the training in your analytics and data science. Now it's the time to test your level of skills which you have developed by doing your training program, by giving assessments, solving challenges. In case your training provider do not have this facility, then you can use different sites online or offline which provides you this test. Nikhil Analytics Bangalore can be contacted to provide online or offline test series. Now third move which you can take is to participate in hackathons. Now let's understand from where you are going to participate. Different sites are available. First is your Kaggle, then Crowd Analytics, Analytics Vidya, Analytics India Magazine, Nikhil Analytics, TechGig, etc. Now let's understand what would be the benefits which you will get while participating in an hackathon. So let's understand. Now it gives you ideas and benefits such as how a challenge can be solved in a stipulated time, how to solve the challenge and present your solutions in a group, many times you are awarded with the certificate and cash prizes. If you do well, your name will be present in the leaderboard and you become visible. And yes, many companies use hackathon as a platform to recruit candidates as well. Hence, hackathons can lead you to a job. Then let's understand what would be your next move. That is your fourth move, to host and showcase your project in GitHub. Now, what happens is the codes or projects which you have already done till date can be uploaded to your GitHub account. You can share the link to your prospective employer who can understand, and it will give them the idea that what kind of codes you have written and what is the level of skill and understanding you have. Fifth move can be to connect with peers in analytics and data science community. Now, see, we are already present in lot of social media channels. Now here, you can join groups related to analytics and data science community in social media such as LinkedIn and Facebook. See, there you can find out what kind of challenges and solutions are discussed in those groups. You can learn from the discussion, you can connect with the people in the group, network with them, participate in discussions if you feel you can contribute in solving those challenges. Sixth move can be to attend conferences on analytics and data science. Now, attending the conferences is one of the best way to learn from industry leaders, to know about what different companies have to offer in analytics and data science space. It also gives you a platform to network with the best people in analytics and data science community, and yes, it adds values to your resume. Seventh move now will be to build your resume, make your profile and attend interviews to get your dream job. Now, while building your resume, let's see what kind of points you are going to add. So you can make your profile in different job portals such as LinkedIn, Naukri, and specific to your country, whatever is the best recruiting channel. And in your profile, you can mention your skill set, your GitHub account if it is present. You can add trainings which you have undertaken. You can showcase your project which you have done while doing your internship. The hackathons can be mentioned in your resume in which you have done the participation, and again you can explain how you have attempted the challenge and how the solution is given. You can also mention the list of conferences you have attended and your key learnings from those conferences. Here you can take help of an expert while building your resume. This will help you to get lot of highlights among the recruiters, and chances of getting your interview calls will be increased by 100%. You can now crack the interview and get your dream job. In case if you are unable or you require help to build your resume and profile, you can contact Nikhil Analytics to get your resume building, preparation and profile building done and get the placement opportunities. Eighth career move will be to work as a freelancer online. Now you can make your profiles in sites such as Upwork, TopTel, Freelancer, Fiverr, Collabtree, etc. And you can bid for freelancing projects. It will help you to monetize your skills and you can earn extra income, and hence it will help you to boost your confidence level. Ninth career move would be to share your knowledge and experiences. Now by this time, you would have gained rich experience. Hence, it's time to give back to your community. You can do this by sharing your knowledge and rich experiences by writing articles and uploading videos for the same on YouTube. You can mentor beginners who seek your help. It will also help you to gain visibility and develop authority in analytics and data science community. 10th career move. You can write an ebook. Now you can pick the topic, subject, tool or language in analytics and data science space based on the current market trend and your experience. You can write an ebook for the same. This is again another way to increase your visibility and monetize your learning. 11th career move. Now you can become a public speaker. See, now it's time to be on stage and share your learning to masses of analytics and data science community at large. This will help you in following way. You can be approached by many companies to work as consultant. Colleges and universities will invite you to conduct sessions and workshops. You become a brand now, which will help you in your next job change and get the new assignments. You can build an authority to market your company, products and services. And in the end, you get a satisfaction and feel significant of giving back to your community. I hope this video helps and would give you clear path of what next can be done after completing your training in analytics and data science. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please like and share this video with your friends. You can connect with me on LinkedIn or the contact information which is given below in the description. I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Best regards, Duty.